Greetings, fellow tech aficionados and quantum enthusiasts. Welcome to an enthralling convergence of tech tomorrow. Today, we're embarking on an electrifying odyssey into the boundless realms of quantum computing. But before we plunge into the quantum cosmos, let's illuminate the path ahead and delve deeper into the enigmatic realm of quantum computing. Quantum computing operates on the mesmerizing principles of quantum mechanics, where quantum bits or qubits harness the tantalizing power of superposition and entanglement. Unlike conventional bits in classical computers that represent information as 0 or 1, qubits possess the remarkable ability to exist in a state of 0, 1, or both concurrently. This bewildering phenomenon empowers quantum computers to explore myriad solutions to complex problems in parallel, promising an unprecedented leap in computational capability. Part 1. What is a quantum computer? At the heart of quantum computing lies a revolutionary departure from conventional computation. Quantum computers leverage the exquisite properties of qubits to execute computations in a fundamentally distinct manner from their classical counterparts. By harnessing the laws of quantum mechanics, these quantum marvels hold the potential to revolutionize industries and unlock unimaginable computational prowess. Part 2. Building your own quantum computer. A reality? Venturing into uncharted territory, intrepid enthusiasts are daring to tread the path of DIY quantum computing. Armed with off-the-shelf components and an insatiable thirst for exploration, these pioneers are embarking on audacious quests to construct quantum computers in their very own garages. The prospect of unraveling the mysteries of the quantum realm from humble workbenches is a tantalizing endeavor that captivates the imagination. Part 3. Quantum computer components. Embarking on the quest to build a quantum computer demands a formidable arsenal of specialized components. From dilution refrigerators for supercooling qubits to intricate superconducting circuits and quantum chips, each component plays a pivotal role in orchestrating the intricate dance of quantum mechanics. While the road to quantum supremacy is fraught with challenges, the allure of unlocking unparalleled computational capabilities drives the relentless pursuit of innovation. Part 4. The cost of building a quantum computer. As we confront the daunting prospect of building a quantum computer, one cannot overlook the elephant in the room, the staggering cost. With estimates pegging the price of a single qubit at approximately $10,000 and commercial quantum computers boasting 50 qubits commanding a price tag of $10,000, the financial barriers to entry loom large. The pursuit of quantum computing prowess demands substantial financial investment, underscoring the gravity of the quest. Part 5. Quantum computing challenges. Yet, amidst the allure of quantum computing, formidable challenges loom on the horizon. Quantum computers are exquisitely sensitive to external disturbances, necessitating stringent environmental controls to mitigate decoherence. The quest for stable qubits and robust quantum error correction mechanisms represents a Herculean task, with each advancement paving the way towards the realization of quantum supremacy. Part 6. The future of quantum computing. The landscape of quantum computing teems with boundless potential and staggering possibilities. Visionary companies like IBM and Microsoft spearhead the charge towards quantum supremacy, investing heavily in groundbreaking research and development initiatives. With ambitious plans to scale qubit counts and explore novel approaches to quantum computation, the horizon brims with promise and potential. Part 7. Building a quantum computer. Insights from researched articles. Insights gleaned from seminal articles offer illuminating perspectives on the intrepid pursuit of DIY quantum computing. From Medium's exploration of off-the-shelf components to IEEE Spectrum's blueprint for a practical quantum computer, each resource offers invaluable insights into the multifaceted landscape of quantum computing. Microsoft Pulse's emphasis on experiential learning underscores the pivotal role of hands-on education in nurturing the next generation of quantum pioneers. Part 8. Hypothetical scenario. Unleashing quantum power. Imagine, if you will, the unfathomable power wielded by a successfully constructed quantum computer. With the ability to harness the intrinsic properties of quantum mechanics, one could unlock the secrets of molecular structures, revolutionize drug discovery, and simulate complex biological systems with unparalleled precision. Yet, lurking beneath the veneer of boundless potential lies a shadowy spectre, a hypothetical scenario fraught with peril. In the wrong hands, a quantum computer could serve as a formidable tool for cryptographic sabotage, unraveling the very fabric of digital security and precipitating cataclysmic disruptions on a global scale. The hypothetical implications of quantum supremacy evoke a sobering reminder of the dual-edged nature of technological advancement. So, imagine for a moment that you've successfully built your own quantum computer in your garage. The thrill of achieving such a feat is unmatched, but with great power comes great responsibility, as they say. In this hypothetical scenario, let's explore what governments might do if they discovered your quantum creation and its immense capabilities. 1. Coercive interest. Governments, especially those with vested interests in technological supremacy or national security, would undoubtedly be keen to get their hands on your quantum computer. Its potential to solve complex problems, break encryption codes, and simulate sophisticated systems could make it an invaluable asset. 2. Surveillance and control. One of the first applications governments might explore is using your quantum computer for surveillance and control purposes. With its unparalleled processing speed and capability, they could monitor communications, decrypt sensitive data, and track individuals with unprecedented precision. 3. Cyber warfare and espionage. In the realm of cyber warfare and espionage, your quantum computer could be a game changer. Governments might leverage its computing power to launch sophisticated cyber attacks, penetrate secure networks, and steal classified information from rival nations or corporations. 4. Political and social manipulation. With access to such advanced technology, governments could manipulate public opinion, influence elections, and even alter the fabric of society. Your quantum computer could be used to analyze vast amounts of data, predict human behavior, and orchestrate targeted propaganda campaigns with chilling efficiency. 5. Ethical dilemmas and control measures. As the creator of this powerful quantum machine, you would face significant ethical dilemmas and potential repercussions. Governments may seek to control or suppress your creation to maintain their own power and control. You might find yourself caught in a web of secrecy, coercion, and surveillance as you navigate the murky waters of geopolitics and technological innovation. While the idea of building your own quantum computer is exhilarating, it also raises profound questions about the nature of power, responsibility, and ethical boundaries. In a world where knowledge is power and technology is king, the line between innovation and exploitation becomes increasingly blurred. As you embark on your quantum quest, remember to tread carefully and consider the consequences of your actions. And thus, we conclude our exhilarating odyssey into the realm of quantum computing. As we reflect on our journey, several key takeaways emerge. Quantum computing represents a paradigm shift of monumental proportions, promising to reshape industries and redefine the boundaries of computational possibility. The pursuit of DIY quantum computing, while daunting, embodies the spirit of human ingenuity and exploration, inspiring a new generation of quantum pioneers to push the boundaries of scientific inquiry. Yet, amidst the allure of quantum supremacy, we must remain vigilant, mindful of the ethical implications and societal ramifications of unfettered technological advancement. With each stride towards quantum enlightenment, let us tread the path with reverence, curiosity, and unwavering determination. Until next time, stay curious, fellow adventurers, and may the quantum cosmos guide your journey.